Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member. Her name is Ashley and she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt, hi Ashley. I'm a subscriber to your YouTube channel. I have a wedding coming up soon and I know you get a lot of requests, so I'm sending mine now. My wedding will be in Jamaica and I'm so excited. I would love to know how to create a cascading calla lily bouquet. I love your channel, by the way." Oh, thank you, Ashley. "I love what you do. It's a blessing to so many. May God continue to bless you tenfold." Oh, Ashley, I absolutely receive that. We are so excited to show you how to create this beautiful cascading calla lily bouquet for your fantastic wedding that's going to happen in Jamaica. It is so simple, so easy, and we have all of the supplies in this very simply put together bouquet. So what are we waiting for, Ashley? Let's get started with this week's request, Cascading Lily Bouquet. So our first step is to attach our bouquet handle and collar to our 5-inch styrofoam ball. Super simple. The first thing I did is just inserted my handle into my collar and attached it with a little hot glue. And then I'm going to go ahead and carve out a center circle in my half foam ball with my foam cutter and just a regular kitchen spoon. You're just going to carve it out so that the tip of the handle can fit in there nice and snug, and then you're going to attach it with some hot glue. So your lilies come in with about a 10-inch stem. I'm cutting my stem down to right between 1 inch and 2 inches. That is so that it will fit nice and snug into my styrofoam ball. Now my first step is to cut the end of my orchid stem to where I have about 3 or 4 blossoms hanging at the end, and that's where my cascade is going to start. From there, I'm going to create what I call an upside down diamond effect with my lilies. And you're just going to continue to, I'm actually using just a wooden dowel. You can use a pencil, whatever you have there to start your hole. And then I'm attaching my calla lilies into each section, creating that upside down triangle that's going to give you that cascading appearance. Now, I'm not using hot glue because you know I recycle and reuse everything around here. But in order to make sure that your lilies stay nice and secure and you don't have any uh-ohs or oopsies during your wedding ceremony, I would suggest that you add a little bit of hot glue to the tip before you insert it into your styrofoam ball. So you have options. You can make your bouquet completely 100% calla lilies, and that would be gorgeous. You could also incorporate some more of the orchids within your bouquet. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm showing you how to incorporate the orchids. Now, if you choose to go 100% calla lilies, guess what? You're just going to continue your pattern around, and around until you get to the center. But in this case, I'm adding 2 or 3 bunches of orchid blossoms just sporadically throughout the bouquet, and then I'm going to go back around and continue my pattern of calla lilies to incorporate those blossoms. Again, it's up to you. We give you the plan, you take it and you make it your own. Well, Ashley, how did we do? It's absolutely stunning. I love that these are latex flowers because they give such a realistic appearance without that realistic cost. If you like this episode, please by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our episodes are posted. And if there's a question we can answer or you have a comment you would like to leave, please by all means go right down to the comment section and utilize that space. Now, I will say we are super busy and it does take us a minute to get to all of our comments, but we have a fantastic community of DIYs, wires, and if I don't get to it right away, trust me, they are there to help you. I want to thank Ashley for giving us this opportunity to be a part of her special day. And if you want to continue to be a part of MissPlanIt, why don't you head on over to our social media where you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. We love our Pinterest page. If you haven't checked it out, please head over there and check it out soon. We have so many wonderful ideas for you. In addition to that, with shopping, Christmas time coming up, and just weddings and occasions, don't forget to sign up for your free Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, where they pay you to shop. It's so simple. Head on down to the description, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, but before we go, I want to remind you that all of the links to the supplies as well as the project costs are always in our description right below our videos. Just click on that Show More button and you will find all of the links to everything you need for this project right there at your fingertips. In addition to that, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, for more DIY tips, cost savings, and our free resource library. Please head on over there and check it out. We had such a blast hanging out with you. Thank you so much for joining us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we don't take you spending your time with us lightly. So with that being said, always remember that when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.